Welcome to fractional problem. We have half plus 3, 2 over 3 minus 3 over 4 all of 7 over 8 divided by 7 over 8. How to work out this? We have the solution. So if you have half plus 3 whole 2 all over 3 minus 3 all over 4 of 7 all over 8 divided by 7 all over 8. The best thing to work out this problem is to use the podmas. You can call it the podmas or the Bodmas, where the P and B, P stand for parentheses equivalent to brackets, then O we have of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So we are going to use this podmas to work out this problem. So the first operation here is parentheses, and since we don't have the parentheses in our problem, we move to the next operation, which is of, and I can see we have of here, so we can write the fraction as follows. So we'll have half plus, you convert 2 over 3 into improper fraction, that is 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 2, we get 11 over 3, then minus 3 over 4 of 7 over 8 divided by 7 over 8. So we have of operation, so we can put our bracket there so that we solve this. So we'll have half plus 11 over 3 minus, this is 3 over 4 times 7 over 8 divided by 7 over 8. So of changes to multiplication, so we'll have 21 over 32. So we'll have half plus 11 over 3 minus, the whole of this is 21 over 32, then divide by 7 over 8. From there we can proceed to the next operation, which is division, and we have a division signs here. So we'll say half plus 11 over 3 minus 21 over 32 divided by 7 over 8, put brackets there. So we work out this. So we'll have half plus 11 over 3 minus 21 over 32. The division sign becomes multiplication, and 7 over 8, you find the reciprocal of 7 over 8, which is 8 over 7. If you simplify this, you'll get 3 by 8, 1 by 8, 4. So you'll get 3 over 4. So you'll have 1 over 2 plus 11 over 3 minus 3 over 4. From there we can move to the next operation, which is the multiplication, and since we don't have the multiplication, we move to addition. So you'll have 1 over 2 plus 11 over 3, you add these two, so you'll have 1 over 2 plus 11 over 3, we find the LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6, then 6 divided by 2, get 3 times 1, get 3, then plus 6 divided by 3 is 2, you multiply by 11, you get 22, or then minus 3 over 4. So this one becomes 25 over 6 minus 3 over 4. Our last operation is subtraction. So we subtract 25 over 6 minus 3 over 4, which is equal to, find the LCM of 6 and 4 is 12, divided by 6 is 2 times 25, you get 50, then minus 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3, you get 9, so you get 9. So our solution becomes 50 minus 9, which is 41 all over 12. This is an improper fraction, so you can convert it into mixed fraction, where we'll have 41 divided by 12. We have 3 times because of 36, remainder 5 all over 12. And this is the correct solution of the problem. Thank you.